What's going on, guys? It's your boy King G back at you with another one with investment adventures. And this video is another very important video. Now I got this question asked to me, and so I said, you know what, I'm going to answer it because this is something that really a lot of people don't understand about the credit game. Now, like I say, this is something that a lot of people will charge you for. I'm not charging for this. This is all free game that I'm giving you guys. And I want you to understand because I really care about the people, right? And we are going through life. You understand what I'm saying? Things happen. You know, people get late on things, or can't pay stuff. Because a lot of people have children. You got to put them in school first. In life, the most important thing is the most important thing. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you be like, you know what? I'm gonna pay my house note. I'm gonna be late on my car note. You know what I'm saying? Because hey, I gotta have a roof over my head. These things are, we all go through them. This is a real common thing. So what ends up happening is you end up getting collections on your credit report, right? Now, here's the thing. I'm gonna explain to you how to remove collections, why you should never pay a collection, and how easy it is to do. And I'm gonna explain why it's so easy so you can understand that you shouldn't be bound by this you shouldn't feel like you shouldn't feel bound by this uh what is it called, mess on your credit report. So this is what it is. So this is what a collection is. I'm explaining to you like this. I'm going to use Comcast cable or Xfinity cable. Okay, so no, I'm not going to use them. I'm going to use a credit card. So let's use Credit One, and you had a credit card for $3,000, and you ran that credit card up. You used all 3,000. You couldn't pay it back. It went into collections. Now, this is how it goes into collections. So this is what credit bureaus do. Creditors do, not credit bureaus. Creditors do. They'll say, okay, well, they owe us, $3,300. They went over their balance and all of that. So they owe us $3,300. And so what they do is at the end of the year, they charge it off, which means they get paid. They get their money. So they charge it off. They get the money that you didn't pay, right, already. Then they sell it to a collection agency. Okay, so they sell your $3,300 debt to a collection agency for usually about 10% on that on the dollar. So they'll sell your debt to a collection company for $330. Okay, so that's 10%. So they sell your debt to them for $330. They give them all your information. Then that collection company, like what you got, LVNV, Portfolio, all these different people, right? Because now they sell that your debt to them for $330. Now you're getting phone calls from this collection company saying, give us our money. We need our money. Blah, 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 blah. Your phone going crazy. And you like, man, dang, I just wish I could pay. Dang, I can pay. And do you know what they do? Then they hit you with, well, you know what? You can settle this debt. Instead of paying $3,300, we got, for this small amount of time, we'll let you give us only $1,250, and you can just call this debt clean. Now, you not knowing, you like, oh my God, I owe $3,300. They about to give it to me, let me only pay like 30%. I'm gonna pay it. So you'll find a way to come up with the $1,250 and pay this collection company the $1,250, right? Now, it's two problems with this. It's two problems, not just one. It's two problems with this situation. So the first problem is that if you pay that settlement, it's going to go on your credit as a settlement. Okay, so it's going to look like, it ain't going to look like, it's going to show that you paid, when it don't say paid in full, right? It don't say paid in full. It says settlement. So now you settled the debt, but you didn't pay the full percentage. So now this hurts your credit, because what happens is when you go and try to get any type of loan with anybody, they're going to see a settlement on your credit, and then that settlement is going to say, well, shoot, they asking for 20,000. Are they going to give us all our money? They got a settlement on their credit report, so they don't trust you, right? So that's number one. That's the number one problem. Well, that's not really number one. That's one problem. That's not the number one. That's actually number two. So I'm actually going backwards, to be honest. The number one problem is that you don't owe that collection company, right? So the way that I'm explaining what's going on here. When you got that credit card for $3,000 and you went over it and you owed them $3,300, you actually signed a contract with Credit One, right? When Credit One sold your debt to that collection company, you don't have a contract with the collection company, so you don't owe them. So the way that you dispute the collection is you don't go, because this is what people do on their credit, right? Like I've been doing credit for a long time, so I know. Trust me, this is exactly how it goes. So a lot of people will go and they'll dispute. This is not mine. This is not mine. This is not mine. This is not mine. You know what the credit bureau is gonna do? Confirm this yours. Confirm this yours. Confirm this yours. Why? Because all these accounts just can't be not yours. That's not how you dispute this. You dispute it by saying, I got the letter. So like I said, hit me at the email above or the one below, however, or text me at the number below, right? I got the letter that I'll just give to you, just so you can see how easy this is and how it works. You want to dispute it saying, they need to come show the contract that I have with them. If they can't provide the contract, I would like this removed from my report. The credit bureaus the collection company cannot provide the contract because you never signed one with them. They bought your debt from the original debt collector. So guess what's going to happen? They got 35 days to prove it. I'm guaranteeing you 100% fact they're not going to prove it because they don't have a contract. So as soon as 35 days is up, you're going to see collection removed. Every time. This is what I do. So that's how you remove it, because you don't have anything. You don't got nothing with them. You understand what I'm saying? They making money off of you, because when you pay them $1,250, they still profit because they bought it for $330. So they still made $900. You see what I'm saying? They can say, oh, we'll settle it for $650. You be like, oh my God, I owe $3,300 and now all I owe is $650. See, but they still making profit. They make you feel like they doing you a favor when really Credit One got their money at the end of the tax year. They got the $3,300 already. Now they just sold the debt, and now the collection company trying to come to you as if you owe them, and you don't owe them because you don't have a contract with them. So they trying to get money hand over fist. Nah, don't let it go like that. That's how simple it is. So hit me up. I'll show you how to do it. But these are all the credit games, like that they try to pull on you and make you feel like they doing something good for you by giving you these settlements, or if they don't give you a settlement, harass you until you ready to shoot the doggone phone. You understand what I'm saying? So that's how you do that. All right, real simple. Get at me and let me know if you need that letter or whatever the case may be. I'll give it to you for free. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to help. I ain't trying to charge people for all this stuff. I'm just trying to help. All right. So this your boy King G with Investment Adventures. Peace.